happy new month, my YouTube fam. So this new month I'm doing something exciting. So I'm starting a new series on my YouTube channel. So if you can remember, last year I did a series tagged from Facebook as newbie to a pro, and this particular series has helped tens of thousands of people launch their very first Facebook ads campaign, and it is still helping them up to this moment. So I'm doing something similar, but this time around this series is tagged Start, Grow and Make Money on YouTube. So if I've always wanted to start a YouTube channel and also make money from it, this is the right series for you to be watching. Okay guys, so without further ado, let's get started with today's video tutorial. Okay guys, so welcome back. Now this is the first episode in this series, and the reason why I'm creating this particular video is to tell you why you should have a channel on YouTube, or why you should be a YouTube creator. Now, the essence of this particular video is to let you know why you're actually doing this, so that you can be consistent with your YouTube journey. Because if you don't know why you are doing it, trust me, you just get tired along the way. So this is what I'll be talking about in this particular video. So guys, here is the thing. Throughout this month, I'll be creating 2 videos in a week. So I'll publish on Thursday and on Sunday. So here is the thing. If this is your first time on my YouTube channel, I say welcome. So if you do not want to miss any of these episode in this series that I'll be creating, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and also turn on the bell notification so you get notified immediately I publish new video in this series. And if you are a returning subscriber, I say welcome once again and thanks for coming back. Please do well to smash the like button so that YouTube can show this video to more people looking for similar video tutorials, similar video content and solution. Okay, so guys, let's dive right into it. Now, the first reason you should have a YouTube channel is this. YouTube is the second most visited website in the world, and not just that, it is the second most visited search engine after Google. So YouTube is like search engine for videos. So here is the thing. No matter what you are selling, no matter who you are selling to, no matter the kind of content you are creating, trust me, there is a readily available audience for you that are ready to consume whatever content you are creating. And what this means is, whatever business you are doing, there is a targeted and quality leads that you can generate off YouTube. And trust me, YouTube has one of the best and most quality kind of audience when compared to other platforms. If you want to get high-paying clients for your business services, trust me, you'll get them on YouTube. I'm telling you this from my own personal experience as well. Now, the second reason you should have a YouTube channel is that YouTube reward their creator when compared to other platforms like on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Now, here is the thing. On TikTok is not really paying their creators. It is the viewers that actually pay the creators. But you see, I understand Facebook is paying creators, but the kind of creators they pay depends on your country and your kind of audience, like your audience size. I think this determines who they pay. But one thing about YouTube is once you can meet the requirement to get into the YouTube partnership program or partner program, then you start making money from YouTube. And that's just one way of making money from your YouTube channel. There are different ways in which you can make money from your YouTube channel, and I'll discuss all of these different and various means in which you can make money on your channel as we go into this series. Another reason why you should have a YouTube channel is that it is an evergreen traffic source. Now, here is the thing. I've watched some videos that was created 10 years ago, even 11 years ago. So imagine you have a link to your offer, a link to your website. In that video, trust me, you keep getting free traffic like for life to your funnel, to your website, to your landing page, to your offers. So if you're actually looking at an evergreen traffic source that you can get for free. Trust me, YouTube is just the best platform. And the fourth reason, this brings me to the fourth reason, is if you are looking to build a passive income generating machine, then trust me, YouTube is also the go-to platform. And I'm saying this because this year I've gone on content break like twice. I went earlier this year and also 2 months ago. But the sweetest thing is, during this period I was away, I was still making money on my YouTube channel. Like, YouTube still pays me from my content that I've created, and not just from there, I also get paid through my courses, and people also booked our services in my agency. So what I'm saying is, YouTube can serve as a passive income generating machine for you, especially if you're an affiliate marketer. Now, the fifth reason why you should have a YouTube channel is if you are looking at building an authority in your niche. Trust me, YouTube is just the best platform. Now, you see, it is very easy to build the KLT factor, which is the know, like, and trust factor. It is very easy with videos, because people get to hear you, people get to see you, and people get to go through the knowledge you are sharing in both format, audio and visuals. So that was really cool. And with your YouTube channel, you have a publicly available profile that people can verify. So if I want to know your abilities, if I want to know what you are capable of, imagine you are a video editor, you can just tell a client, okay, you know what, you want to see what I've done or what I can do, just go to my channel, you see some of my video content. So it gives you that leverage amongst other people. So imagine you applying to a particular job, or let's say what's it called now, to a particular stuff. So it can give you leverage amongst other applicants, and trust me, I've benefited so many times from this, and this is why I'm telling you. Now, the sixth reason why you should have a YouTube channel is this: it helps you build certain life skills, both soft skills and life skills, because in this present age you should be able to have the confidence to address people on camera. Now, this is not just on YouTube. You might be doing live on maybe Instagram or Facebook or something, but trust me, everybody should know how to address people. But here is the thing: even if you do not want to show your face, you can still talk behind cameras. But trust me, what YouTube will help you do, it will help you build that confidence. So most of you don't know this. So last year September, before I relocated to Poland, while I was still in Nigeria, I was invited to a TV station, which is Oyo State television station, BCS TV. I was invited as a guest to come talk on a particular topic. But the funny thing is, throughout that last year, I was not really showing my face on camera. I was just doing screen recorded video. But guess what? I was prepared. I just went to the TV station, then I did everything I needed to do, and I left. But trust me, I delivered. So one of the things your YouTube channel will help you do, if you're a public speaker, if you're a coach, a consultant, or an internet marketer or a digital marketer, trust me, it will help you build that public speaking confidence. It will help your communication, how you address, how you present, and even market yourself. Trust me, it helps. And lastly, one of the things I enjoy about being a YouTuber is you can always optimize your content, and your content even have a long lifespan compared to other platforms. See, on YouTube, people are actually searching to find your video, and YouTube will keep pushing your video to the kind of audience that are targeted for your channel. So it keeps building over the years. Now, last year there are some videos that were just less than 1,000 views on my channel. Now some of them are 2,000, some of them are 10,000, and even some of them are 50,000 views, and it keeps increasing like that. So that's one of the things. Videos that I've published like 2 years ago, I can come back to it, edit, modify, and probably change the title, change the thumbnail, and probably some keywords and tags on that same video, and YouTube will keep pushing that particular content. So these are just some of the reasons why you should have a YouTube channel in 2022 or beyond 2022. And I hope I've been able to convince you and not confuse you that as an individual living in this present age and time, you should have a YouTube channel. So if that is actually true, I've been able to convince you to have a YouTube channel, please do it to drop a comment. I want to know that you are ready to learn, so I'll be fired up to continue this series. And here is the thing, as I've said, make sure you hit the subscribe button below so you get notified whenever I drop new content. And also join my Telegram channel. So immediately I publish any video on my YouTube channel or I want to share any resources, I make sure I drop it on my Telegram channel. So there are some things I'll not put here, I'll put them on my Telegram channel. So just go to adelekesamuel.com/telegram. And if you want to get in touch with me directly, send me or shoot me a message on Instagram at Adeleke Samuel01. So guys, this will be the end of this particular video, but before you go, make sure you watch the other videos in this series. Watch other videos in this series or go to adelekesamuel.com/YTB. You have access to all of the videos in this series, and I will see you in the next episode. Bye for now.